Hi, kindergarten. Here you are. You made it to Friday. Good job doing all the hard work this week. Back with math, and grab a pencil and paper if you need to. I'm going to roll the dice. See what numbers we're working with. That wasn't a good one. I'm not working with 6 again. Here we go. Two, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. I'm gonna write it on my math mountain. I'm gonna write it this way. Hmm. 2 and 5. So 2 is a smaller number than 5. 5 is greater than 2. So I know the alligator wants to go after the 5, so his mouth will be open to the 5. But that doesn't, we don't read it this way. That doesn't mean we always say 5 is greater than 2. Whatever way we read it, when we read it left to right, and whatever we come to first is how we read the symbol. So since it's the point and not the open mouth, we're going to say less than. So we're going to hit the point first, so it must be read as 2 is less than 5. All right, write your tumblers, 3, 4, 5. And an addition number sentence. I'm going to switch these around for the equations. 5 plus 2 is the same as, and we can look at our math and use our math mountain. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you can go 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 is the same as 7. Now we have to do subtraction. We have to write a 5, take away 2. 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I have 5 circles. And I have to, so here's my 5, that's taken care of. I have to, the equation says I have to take away 2 of the circles. So that means I'm going to be crossing out 2 of the circles. I kind of wrote those really small. Sorry about that. Okay, well, I'm crossing out 2 circles. 1, 2. And the circles that I have left, 1, 2, 3. I have 3 circles left. So if I have 5, and I take away 2, I have 3 left. So I use my fingers and I use the picture, and here I have 5, 4, 3. Oh, even if I count backwards, it all is the same as 3. Tallies. Oh, just like we did yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. Plus 2 is the same as 7. All right, I have a new word problem. And I'm going to use both of the strategies in the one word problem that we've been using. So if you remember and watched the videos on Monday and Tuesday, we were talking about how Savannah and I have cats. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, Remington had toy sharks. But today, we have a new one with Savannah and Remington. Here we go. Savannah, oh, and remember, be listening for the numbers and any math terms and what. See, recognize this is a question mark, so they're going to ask you a question, but what are they asking? So let's see. Savannah has 2 crayons. Remington gave her 2 more. I'm going to read that again. Listen close. Remington gave her 2 more. So, Savannah has 2 crayons. Remington gave her 2 more. How many crayons does Savannah have? Now I'm going to show you. I've got my yellow. I'm going to start by highlighting the numbers. Savannah has 2 crayons. Remington gave her 2 more. How many crayons does Savannah have? Now, the math term in this, the clue that lets you know whether you're doing addition or subtraction, Remington gave her 2 more. If you're getting more of something, I have 1 marker and I got 2 more. More. More is a math term that goes ding ding. You're going to need to add. More means you're adding to it. So, Savannah has 2 crayons. Remington gave her 2 more. Now the question, what are we going to have to find out about this? How many crayons does Savannah have? There's our clue. We need to figure out how many crayons does Savannah have. I'm going to start with my picture. I'll draw, well, I guess I'll draw purple crayons. So, Savannah has 2 crayons. Remember, now it's time to pull those numbers out to make your picture. Draw your picture to help solve the problem. Savannah has 2 crayons, so we're starting with 2 crayons. Okay. Okay, we'll just do this. It's a purple crayon. P for purple. Okay, purple crayons. Savannah has 2 crayons. Here's my 2 crayons. Remington gave her 2 more. So Remington gave her 2 more. So that means I'm adding 2 more. 1. I guess I should write the letter that way. R for red. Okay. Remington gave her 2 more. How many crayons does Savannah have? All right. Well, she had 2. Remington gave her 2 more. If you put them all together, if you add them together, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. So Savannah all together has 4 crayons now. Now we drew a picture. I'm going to do an addition equation because we already know more means we'll be adding. So I'm going to start with 2 because that's the number I have highlighted. I'm using my highlighted numbers. So we have 2. Savannah has 2 crayons. Remington gave her 2 more. More means we're going to add. And the number that we've highlighted is 2. 2 plus 2 is the same as 2. 2 plus 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is the same as 4. And here they match. Our picture matches our number sentence, and we have answered the question in the word problem. How many crayons does Savannah have? Well, we found out she now has 4 crayons. And I could even write Savannah has 4 crayons. All right. Have a good weekend. You did good work this week. I'm very impressed by those of you watching all these videos and doing this work. You're doing awesome. Keep it up. Bye.